Hi friends! Welcome back to the Coral Cafe. Today something extra shiny drifted in. Look!
A treasure chest from an old sunken ship. Open it, open it!
Ooh, so shiny. What are all these?
These are metals, and every metal is an element with its own name and a special symbol. Every element even has its own number, like a house number on the periodic table. This golden coin is gold. Its symbol is AU, from the old word aurum. Gold never rusts, so treasure stays shiny for hundreds of years.
That's why pirates love it.
This one's silver, symbol AG from argentum, bright and shiny, like a little mirror. We make coins and jewelry from it. But look, if you leave it out, it slowly turns dark. A little polish and it shines again.
Ooh, this reddish one is copper. Symbol Cu. Copper carries electricity, so it's inside wires everywhere. And guess what? Over time, it turns green. That's why the Statue of Liberty is green.
And this hard, silvery one is nickel, symbol Ni. It's strong, and we use it in coins and batteries. Now here's the magic. Every element has a home on the periodic table, a giant chart of all the building blocks in the universe. Watch our 4 metals light up. Gold, silver, and copper are even neighbors. We call them the coinage metals because we make coins from them. Let's sort them. Gold and silver are precious metals, rare and beautiful and special. Gold never changes at all, and silver just needs a polish now and then. Copper and nickel are everyday metals, more common but so useful.
Too precious, too everyday. Every metal has its job.
Remember, little ones, the periodic table is a map of the building blocks of everything. The sea, the stars, even you. Each element has its place.
Thanks for exploring with us at the Coral Cafe. Keep looking closely, little scientists. Treasure is everywhere. Bye!